finally, we are at the question, the million-dollar question. How much money does someone need to buy their first home? Or what is the price or value of the property you can buy as your first home? Now, this depends on number of factors, like what grants and schemes do you qualify for? And we have talked at length about that just now. Then there are also the 5 C's. But let me talk about the main 2 C's. Capital and capacity. Capital is the savings or the funds available for your deposit and other expenses. And capacity is your borrowing capacity. That means how much a lender determines you can comfortably afford to borrow. Now, there might be someone who has got great borrowing capacity but could be restricted by the capital that is available to them. Or there might be someone who has plenty of capital available but restricted by their borrowing capacity. Then you would also need to consider the value or price and the kind of property that you wish to buy. One thing that I must add here is, and this is what I have said repeatedly in my course as well, is that please do not rely on those online calculators and non-fully assessed pre-approvals. A pre-approval without the verification of income documents is really not worth even the paper that it's printed on. They are the most deceiving things that exist in the lending world. So to find out an answer to your particular situation, we recommend that you contact Ruben Sohana and his team at 𝗙𝗲𝗀𝗏 Finance. They are really empathy oriented and will do an assessment of your particular situation, goals, objectives, and give you an answer that is specific to your situation. You can reach out to Ruben Sohana and his team at 𝗙𝗲𝗏 Finance to discuss your eligibility, qualifying criteria, and apply for spot and pre-approval. Book your consultation conveniently online at 𝗙𝗲𝗀𝗏Fin.com.au and meet from the comfort of your home at a time that suits you best. So this was all the information about the grants and schemes that are available to the first home buyers in Australia and specifically in New South Wales and Sydney. All the very best to all the first home buyers. You are not alone here in this journey. We are here for you, and professionals like Ruben Sohana are there to hand hold you on this journey. As mentioned in the beginning of this video, you will now also have access to a complete guide of government assistance available to first home buyers in all states and territories of Australia through our 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘.ai website under the resources tab. Plus, you will also get access to a free first home buyer course that will walk you through the step-by-step process of buying your first home. And I have also added an additional module in there that addresses the great debate of rent vesting versus buying your primary place of residence. Now, before I finish, I do want to say that I want to do a lot more advocacy for more benefits to first home buyers and assurance of home ownership for all Australian families, young and old. However, my voice will only be as strong as much as you make it by supporting it. So please do follow me on my socials, join my mailing list, and let's make a difference together. Happy home buying, and remember, knowledge is the power.